looking for an amazing 4-bedroom, 2-bath home in Concord, this is the one.
Welcome to 2651 East Olivera Road in sunny Concord, California.
Sunny for sure. Come on in. Okay, today we're showing this amazing home that has been lovingly taken care of by the owners, as well as one of the residents, Kiri, our award-winning Irish Wolfhound.
That's right, Ben. This house has 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms with a private ensuite in the master, a beautiful guest bath in the hallway, and plenty of room for the entire family to spread out.
That's right, Kevin. And this home is also great for the modern work environment because you have your own home office, and the owner even took up sewing as well and created her own hobby room.
Adjacent to the kitchen is this spacious living room where you can grab a book or your phone and hang out with your buddy. And on the other side is this great eat-in kitchen for those great family gatherings.
But wait, we didn't mention the best part, the huge backyard and enormous side yard.
So outside we have this massive covered patio, great for entertaining or even hanging out with your 2- or 4-legged friends.
And on the other side is this huge, and I mean huge side yard, perfect for parking your Airstream, classic car, or again, playing with your 4-legged friends.
Ben, this house is in a great location. For those commuters, you got 242 and Highway 4. You got BART just around the corner for anywhere in the Bay Area. You're walking distance to schools. And did I tell you, the solar is paid off.
Oh, that's amazing. I think you're gonna like 2651 East Olivera. Come on by and take a look.